Haka review meeting balalong haka khandriu tarik unai tung arajar poway. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma Ulaong bakarai ban blacklist ki santili ki firms lashim halor ka nongrem baki klemlaban pendepe ka surok bahab hapok ka project Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Habakrench kilap sai kubor Chief Minister Ulaong balada lab yanu inu nang nishkmat bam tre hok yala ki kam kinsalet ka bating yakum kini ki breo.
This kind of detailed monitoring, and we're actually able to then push, and after pushing many such projects we have been able to close, and that is the reason why in the last few years we have seen that Government of India has increased the sanction as well as the financial outlay for Meghalaya after seeing this particular dashboard and seeing that we are actually giving a better performance. The utilization is taking place regularly, and actually the works are being finally completed, projects that are even pending for many 15, 20, 18 years, which really spoiled the entire fund flow and project allocation for the state at that point in time. So this is how we are moving forward in this, and based on this, we were mentioning last time, you were asking about blacklisting. So 15 firms have already, or contractors, the process of blacklisting them has already been initiated, and more will happen. So we've been doing, it's all based on this particular dashboard, and we're looking at people who have not performed well. We're looking at people who have taken multiple projects and not. Of course, we give a chance. We are not being very rough with people saying that anybody who does this, all will be terminated. It's not like that. We try to be fair. We try to give an opportunity. Once we see that the contractor or the individual firm is not serious and not taking any action in spite of repeated reminders and opportunities being given, then we initiate the process of blacklisting. So as of now, as I mentioned, about 15 firms, the blacklisting process has been initiated. So this is what we have for PMGSY, and you can just show the mother app once. I just want to show the pregnancy thing also. Just can go back on that. So in the same dashboard, as you can see, we have this mother program, and obviously, similarly in this program also, at any given time, the list of all the districts is coming up. Started the process almost about 9 months back. We started this. In fact, I started reviewing the PMGSY immediately after taking over. And then we started to develop this particular app that time itself. And then we started giving the chance to everybody to finish their work. So about 12 months was given to everybody and saying that, okay, look, please buck up and do something, otherwise we'll be forced to take action. Then after that, those who did not take action, then we have started the process of blacklisting them. And as I said, 15 firms, and we will continue to blacklist all who don't perform.